close to the end because afterwards it is only 5 minutes from the big square. Okay, so those who want to see the spices with, in here, the others wait for me. I will just follow you.
Okay. Herbalism. Oh, herbs are here.
You want to stay with them?
Herbal experience.
Yes, no problem. You want to stay with them?
Ground up, you grind it, it comes down into here, and these all the different ingredients that they have here. Yeah.
Sí, vamos a entrar igual.
Walking around, or want to go back to? I'm going back to Riyadh. You're not going back to Hong. No, Hong's going back too. Yeah. Yeah, I know once we get up here where to go. Let's find a Waffle House.
It's cold.
So you know how to orient yourself?
Yes.
That is the Riyadh.
Yes.
And
I think we gotta go around here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was this way here. Yeah, I think it's right down here. Yeah, because there's the Seven Saints. I remember passing out this morning, yeah.